Most creators are out here doing the work of 5 different people. Content, outreach, editing, admin work, content research. And I can tell you from personal experience, I have been doing content creation since 2012. I've had a team and I've done it all by myself. I know from personal experience that shit is exhausting. And not everybody can afford a team. I'm going to show you in less than 10 minutes exactly what I do. How AI did not just help me, but it helped me fill in those 5 spots in that team that I didn't need to the point that I didn't need a team, and I can continue to do this full time by myself. Now, for context, this is not a used ChatGPT situation. In fact, I started using ChatGPT back in 2023 and it sucked. As of recently, it's horrible for what I do personally. Now, Fives is the framework that I use to run the entire JAYZPHYSIQUE brand as well as Aesthetic Academics, which is my company. And I use Fives for everything. To be exact as to what this does with my ecosystem, finding UGC deals, running ads, content creation, content research, posting, email responses, brand deals. This literally helps me do everything. And all this flows through one place, by the way. This is not a, here's a bunch of subscriptions video. The problem that I had, especially after Corona, was creator burnout. I was posting 3 times a day on Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and I was tired. There was quite literally no leverage. There was me trading time for money. But that's not what I wanted. I want to be able to choose when I work. What is Fives? What does it stand for? Find the research agent. It finds content opportunities, trending topics, brands, running paid ads, UGC targets for me in this case, and competitor gaps, which is basically my intelligence. The Ideate part is the content agent, which takes care of everything. It's an entire project. It takes what it finds, surfaces, and turns into video concepts, outlines, short form hooks, and UGC pitches. Nothing starts from blank. Validate. Before any time gets spent, the system checks, does this topic have demand? Does this brand fit the threshold? Is this idea positioned to win? Validate everything before we waste any time doing anything. Execution. This thing does not do anything without my permission or hitting me up on Telegram or Dispatch. Videos get shot, clips get cut, captions, descriptions, repurposing, all synthesized through this system. This is where the content actually gets shipped out. He helped me make this. And syndicating. Everything gets distributed through YouTube, it becomes shorts, IG clips, X posts, emails, email responses, outreach. One video feeds the entire ecosystem and leads come inbound. The machine runs without me having to start it every single time. And this is everything that it handles every single day without me having to prompt it. It even built my calendar out for me. I said, take a look at what I'm doing. And my calendar looks like this every fucking month. And I said, what am I doing? Where could my time be spent better? Optimize it, and how can I work less and get more done? You don't have to do this. This is just what I did to optimize my time because I care about it. I want to spend time with my family, friends, woman, have some peace. This thing has replaced everything. My biggest source of income is literally brand deals and UGC. Before, I had to post everything to my account, and now I can send out 100 emails every single day to qualified leads that align with me, my portfolio, my skills, and the time that I have. It sends it out, pre-qualifies it, runs it by me, does the follow-ups. My brain doesn't have to do anything, and all of this goes directly into the CRM that helps us keep track of how many retainers we have this month. When should we be getting paid? Have they paid us yet? If they didn't, let's send us friendly follow-up email. If it takes 60 days to pay us, let's send an email that says, hey, you got 7 days to pay us, otherwise you're going to have to speak to my legal team. All of the things that would regularly stretch a human's bandwidth is what this thing handles. And the monotonous small tasks are what you should use AI for. You shouldn't have to do everything. I didn't want to do everything, but before AI, I did, and that's what burnt me the fuck out. As a business owner, yes, you should probably learn how to hire employees, but I'm sorry, within my business, I don't need employees. Maybe a video editor one day. And a real example of this running in the background is me basically waking up in the morning to it saying, hey, you have 10 inbound emails from TikTok shop companies that hit you up through the email that's in your bio. What do you want to do? This is the offer they gave you. This aligns with what we're doing right now. I say yay or nay. It composes a quick little email. And by the way, these are thorough, targeted emails with analytics, my WhatsApp, my email, my rates per video, usage rights, everything. It knows everything. Everything is saved. It knows what to do. This isn't a quick little template that it just created like ChatGPT. This is specifically articulated for my business. Yes, I got the Hydro from TikTok Shop. And that's brands coming into me. If we're talking about it finding you money that you never would have found because you're busy creating content, it has multiple ways of getting revenue. By the way, I made an entire video of 5 free platforms that you can find brand deals every single day. Guess what? This is hooked into my Google Chrome and scans the different Reddit forums It finds 10 deals and puts them in the CRM. It scans X and finds 5 deals a day for me. It goes into Meta Ads and finds 10 qualified brands that align with what we're trying to do. Every single day it does this. And that leaves me to say yay or nay to if it's worth doing. Sign the contract, make the content, and ship it out. And yes, I still do edit my videos. I do not have a video editor. I enjoy making videos. I love making content. I always tell my clients, your life is a movie and you get to dictate how the movie comes out. You get to pick the music, you get to pick the vibe, the look, everything. I enjoy doing this. One day maybe I'll get a video editor, who knows? So not only is this quite literally getting you inbounds because your volume is out there in the world, it's also applying to things that companies are actually looking for in the moment of time. And if you're building solo, oh my God, this is game changing. And I don't want to be that guy that says, oh, this is game changing technology. It is. To not stretch your bandwidth every single day chasing deals is game changing. That changes everything. You don't need a team, you just need the right architecture, which is what I've built. I get really nerdy about this shit and I want to optimize my time and live my human life. And this is the unfair advantage in the UGC creator economy. Everybody's talking about AI is going to replace content creators. No, the fuck it's not. Humans love humans. They love human interactions, human connection, human emotion. AI is not replacing that. It's replacing the monotonous tasks that humans were never meant to do. This is the unfair advantage that a majority of small creators, and honestly creators in general, don't know about. The big creators with $100,000 budgets, they have a team doing this. Who knows? They may be using AI, they might not be using AI. It depends on who's willing to adopt it. But if you're willing to adopt it, this gives you that unfair advantage that nobody else knows about yet. And AI in the next 12 months for creators, I'm going to be completely honest, the opportunity is unfathomable. This is a very simple system that I built. Calendar, automatic inputs, CRM, inbound lead, email management. That's what I built. I don't need anything crazy. Simple scales, guys. Simple will help you get to $10,000, $20,000 a month on a $20 to $200 subscription. There's going to be a link in the description for you that has the entire breakdown from A to Z on how you can do this for yourself. Check it out. It's free. Nothing crazy. I'll just email it over to you. If you want to see exactly how my nerdy ass built this system in real time, I'm going to show you everything, screen record it, because this talking thing, I don't learn that way. You probably don't learn that way either, hence why you're watching a YouTube video, not a podcast. If you want to see the video on how I built this in real time, check out this video right here, and this will show you everything.